Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my review and unboxing of the MacBook Pro 2020 cover that I bought online Shopee, and my Magic Keyboard and the smart Folio. The iPad Magic Keyboard, and I use this CoverBuddy, this accessory, so I'm gonna go through that today. Today something came in the mail, so it's another unboxing. Trusty Leatherman. Probably get bored of that by now. And here we have half-shell hard case for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. As usual, I'll put the links in the description, so you can buy what I bought, and I'll give you a review whether it's good or not. See, I have some MacBook whole covers, a keyboard protector, which I don't know if I use because I freaking love the keyboard, so I don't like to use protectors on it, and a leather case. Ooh, the base looks actually really good. And the material is interesting. It's kind of felt-ish, and then this is plastic. Gotta clean my MacBook, make it nice and clean. And I don't want any dust getting trapped under there. My previous one got really scratched up at the bottom, especially from using this MOFT thingy. Yeah, but it will get scratched here, so I'm hoping that this would protect it a bit from that. Yeah, but since that Mac was so old, I wasn't very worried. Is that it? It just clips on like that? Ah, but the important thing is the top. And there's a hole. Alright. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's particularly great. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I just thought the bottom would be more coverage, but now I can sort of see why you can't have more coverage. It's already up to the max. At most, it could cover the side here a little bit, which was also what I was hoping for, but if it closes, it won't be able to close properly, so I guess there's that. Oh no, these are supposed to clip to the grills. Oh, that means I must attach them back first. So, back first, put onto the grills, and then front. Ah, there we go. That makes a lot more sense. Okay. Ah, there we go. At least now it's on now. Here's how it looks. So some other accessories that I have is I got this little camera here, so I can cover the cam. I bought those real cheap also. I'll link in the description. Okay, now the real thing is I need to attach my MOFT at the bottom because I freaking love this thing. It just makes such a difference, especially for my neck when I type. So I've got to attach this on. I previously attached it to the MacBook, but I removed it so I could put this case on. Now I've got to attach it back. So I've got to get it in the center and attach it as far up as possible. I think this is the center. And yeah, it is the center, and it is as far up as possible. And I just have to press it. And it has this a reusable glue. So this is how it looks. And then I just have to press it. Yeah, now I don't have to be so worried. At least the edges of my Mac is protected. Yeah, I'm a very accessories kind of guy. I change my accessories up so that I can spice things up. This is basically it. Moment of truth. I don't even have to use this anymore. I was scared I will scratch my laptop, but now I don't have to be worried about that. Oh, that's so much better. Nothing to block it. Very nice. Now, let's try out the keyboard cover. They're really cute. They added the escape key, so they definitely know this for the 2020 MacBook Pro. Let's see how the typing experience is like.
When you use a keyboard cover. It's not great. I really prefer without the keyboard cover. It makes it tiring to type.
Yeah, I do find it kind of tiring. I'm not a keyboard cover kind of guy. I'm a really YOLO kind of guy. But yeah, my previous Mac held up fine, so I'm hoping this Mac will hold up fine too. Anyways, I change my Mac once every 7 years, so I hype it up, when I change my Mac, and then I'll change accessories. So my phone is 2 years old already, but basically what I do is once a year I change my screen protector so it feels fresh, and then I change my case so I feel oh, I've got a new phone. And that's how I intend to make my devices last longer while keeping that kind of happiness value from using the devices. Okay, yeah, so I'm the kind that's not gonna use that, definitely. But what I'm more likely to use these are the port covers. So I can use these to cover the ports. I'm unlikely to cover the left side ports because I use 2 dongles.
Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. And here. Okay, so
How the MOFT case works, it's like you can just flip like this, and then you have another angle to work with, and it's really great, especially for my neck. You know, my neck really loves me now. And yeah, this helps to prevent dust from going in when you don't use the pots too much. And it always helps to have more pots. Like, I really use all the pots left, right, center. I really don't know what I'm going to do with it. Just throwing stuff on my floor at this point. Oh, but you know, now that it clips on properly, it does look really good. I'm a all black kind of guy. I was considering getting the gold, but my friend said black is more classic. This gives me way more peace of mind, like just throwing this in my bag. Okay, let's go through the review of this. I've been using this for a while now, this CoverBuddy. It's in between these two, in between the iPad and the Magic Keyboard. Basically, like, lets it be really light, so it's almost the same weight as the actual iPad. You really can't tell. It's definitely lighter than even this VersaCover that I used my first cover. No, around 6 months later I got this, which gives a little bit more protection. And this is like by Otterbox. Yeah. And then after that I switched. Once I got a Magic Keyboard. These two don't work with the Magic Keyboard, so what I got instead was this. The bad thing about this, the edge is open for the bottom. But you know, this is the best I could find, and it works with the Magic Keyboard, which is the most important thing. So when you close it, it actually closes flat because of the weight. If you see the camera bump, it's not bad. Here you can see it. But when you hold it up, you can see that it opens slightly. I would say that at first I was a bit bothered, but now I'm really not. Right? When I keep it down, I'm not really that bothered. And one thing is that it gives a lift, so it actually makes it easier for me to open my Magic Keyboard. Usually people have to like hold it like this and then pull it down to open. But because it can't close exactly all the way, it actually helps with the opening. And then this makes it much easier to open. So it's like a good and a bad tool. Some things that I've realized I use this when I want to see portrait, when I want to see portrait, especially scores. This is Maple Leaf Rack. Basically, you can change the angle like this. And yeah, you know, I was conducting a masterclass with Symphonia, like the band conductor in SMU. So I used this to hold my score while I read and I conducted. So this is one of them. And this is the one that I usually use to do work. Like my YouTube video ideas are all in Notion. And I use these to keep it in. So okay, that's that. The camera bump is really not bad. It looks quite cute. So I'm a black on black kind of guy. So this is my Magic Keyboard and 2020 MacBook Pro Accessories video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, just let me know in the comments whatever you want to see or give me feedback. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!